ankle lockers galore, right? Ankle locker
If you're not riding at this time, please take a step back. The gates are now closing. Please let go of your harness so it may be checked for you at this time. During your run, remain seated, keeping your hands on the lap bar with your arms and legs down and inside the ride, with your head back against the headrest and feet on the foot marker at all times.
Scan platform. Platform clear.
Harness the speed and strength of 5 Roman gods as you conquer Pantheon.
All right, here we go. Oh, there's like a little fakie. You got like pop of hair. Woohoo! That was great.
Welcome back. Once the ride comes to a complete stop, please lift up on your safety restraint and